This is shocking, I know, but I have another Amazon unboxing, y'all. It's mostly clothes and bathing suits. Again, that's all I seem to be shopping for lately. So if you're not into that, keep scrolling. And if you are, let's get into it. All right, first we have these swimsuit bottoms. I ordered just the bottoms. They are full coverage. We love that. And we love this ruching in the front because that's just gonna be more flattering. I forgot the most important part. Those are high-waisted because I am never wearing something that's not high-waisted ever again. Oh. Y'all, these are a pair of pants. These are flare legs. They are really, really thin though, so I don't know if they're gonna work out, but I thought that these might work for Lainey Wilson. We'll see. I'm still on the hunt for some white pants. So I ordered these from Free People. They're just skinny jeans and they do have rips in the knee. Frayed hem at the bottom, we love that. This is the same brand as those tiger print flares, but this is just a denim jumpsuit. It's pants, kind of like skinny jeans. I mostly just bought this because it was very, very low priced. This is a bathing suit, switching it up. This is like it's black and white and it's two-tone and it goes one shoulder like that. I just think this is so classic and pretty. This pattern on this swimsuit is so gorgeous. Look at the pattern. It's gorgeous. I think it's even prettier in person because this pink really pops. It's long sheer sleeves. I love a long sleeve bathing suit. I'm a little worried about the back because the back is pretty open. I don't really love an open back. Oh, we have a box full of goodies. Y'all are gonna hate me, but I might have to make this video 2 parts because I'm just running out of time.